Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Miss K. Today I'm going to be doing a video on Valentine's Day looks, and hopefully this will be a 3-part series. Hopefully, fingers crossed. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button somewhere around here and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. If you are returning, thank you so much for supporting me, and let's just get right into the video. Of course, I've already did my eyebrows off camera. We're going to go ahead and start priming. I'm going to use my Professionals. This is usually a step that I do off camera, but I'm kind of running behind a little bit today, so I'll go ahead and do that. And this is one of my favorite primers, actually, because I do have oily skin. I'm going to go in with my BECCA and go right up in here with that, and I'm just going to press that in. Now, because I don't have any orange corrector, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay primer, eyeshadow primer. And this is just to give a good base for my eyeshadow. Going to the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to go in with a blending brush, my favorite blending brush, this color right here. I'm going to go in with the Saharan palette. And I think I'm going to go in with this color right here. I think that, what is that, Fula? Go right in there with this. Go back up in there with that blending brush and make sure that those edges are not harsh. So keep blending that. Build this up a little bit. So I'm going back in to pick up some more product. Just build that up a little bit more. Going in with Shad, I'm going to go in with a smudger brush, and I'm going to go right into that outer V and smoke that out. I'm going to get a clean blending brush and just blend that in. As I told, we were going to keep this really simple today. Okay, let's go on with our foundation. Today, I'm going to go on with my Fenty Beauty.